Hi guys, welcome back. So this is the look I'm gonna be doing today. It's the very trendy graphic eyeliner look but with very affordable makeup. So if you're interested in this look and want to know how to achieve this in an affordable way, then please keep watching. And yeah, let's get started. My base makeup is already completed as I didn't want to make the video very long, so I'm starting off straight with the eyes. I'm using the Swiss Beauty mini eyeshadow palette. This one is in the shade 06. It's a very peachy neutral eyeshadow palette. I'm starting off with this matte peachy corally shade on my entire lid space. I'm using a fluffy blending brush to diffuse the color all over, and I'm taking my time to build the color uniformly throughout my entire lid space. Doing the same thing on the other eyelid. Taking my time and making sure that the colors are well blended so that I get a very diffused look. Now using this matte pale peach color to diffuse the first color further up into the brows so that it looks seamless and very gradient. Now taking the first color on a pencil brush and using that on my lower lash line. Taking my time to blend it well and build the color up. Now to the part where you need to concentrate the most, the graphic eyeliner. I'm using the Lakme Insta Liner in the shade Golden. It's not only super affordable but also very good. You need to build the color up, however, which is not really a problem. You could choose a pattern that suits you or that you're comfortable making. Make sure that you don't choose something super complicated right away, and make sure your hand is not stiff while you're drawing out the lines, so that you get a very soft and flowy graphic eyeliner look and nothing stiff. Take your time to draw the shape with short strokes and make sure to build the color up for a more vibrant look. Fine tune as needed and make sure that the lines are as smooth as possible. Now this eyeliner is not super pigmented, so you have to let the color up and make sure that you layer up as in where necessary to get a very opaque finish. Now doing the same thing on the other eye, make sure that your pattern is balanced on both eyes. Try to be as similar as possible. They're not going to be exactly the same, but that is not a problem. Do not be afraid to draw lines. Makeup could always be fixed, and with practice you will get better. Now I'm using a white kohl on my waterline. This one is by Wet n Wild. This one is not only super affordable but also works pretty well. I'm very impressed with this one. Now I'm using the same golden liner right underneath my waterline. Now be very careful while using a liquid eyeliner underneath your waterline, because if it gets in, your eyes are gonna burn, and also it's not a good thing to get liner inside your eyes. Not only I'm using very carefully, but I'm also using very less product. Now I'm gonna put on some mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Now for lipstick, I've already used a light nude lipstick by Maybelline called Mysterious Mocha. On top of that, I'm using this Nika Glossy Up lip gloss in the shade Love Bug. It's a beautiful red gloss. Now I'm using a light layer of the gloss on top of the nude lipstick to get this very light flush of color with a lot of shine. And for lashes, I'm using the Nykaa Lash Talk lashes in the style OTT Drama. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found this helpful. And if you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel. And I have tons of makeup tutorials and videos in my channel. If you're interested, please do check them out, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.